don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Al Hilal 2. I'm joined by Chwaga Parks.
Tiboza mafans wethu
Njani che?
siyaphila mfowethu noba ke sokwehlika indaba ezibhlungu
Ziphi?
kungasaphiliki eMarapa Stad inqaba selikhona but kwencwadi indumiso ngizobathatha nje ngibabeke lapha ngencwadi ezingcwele ukuthi kwenzekile kodwa siyabacela abanolaka bangaye OR Tambo bayo demeja izihlalo zabehlike ezindizeni bephumlile kodwa bakholwe kuJohn 14 inhliziyo zabo zingakhathazeki bazobuya abafana bayolenda bayofika eCronankop.
Yeah.
Sicela abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns imanagement yabo sicela ifike isafe eCronankop.
Yeah.
Kulezi nsuku siyabaza abalandeli bebhola banolaka kabi.
Too much.
Into enesibhaxu phakathi abazwani nayo.
Yeah.
Ewe kodwa ke thina ngoba sesiyasazi isibhaxu seSundowns sike sashawa abo6 sashawa ngabo 4 nathi sasithuka sesilwa kodwa saphinde sakhuzana lento yokulwa
ayilunganga
shonto yethu Tibosi cha without fear or favor igame be spot on
sure nje
game beyimnandi mfowethu ibonakala nje isuku ukuthi le game ivuleleke noba kokubani the way ama team abe attackana ngakhona ya yona the Mohammed Alal what I think besokwe igame yesithathu ngizama kuyinotice amadlane Sundowns kwenye game yake yadlala nabo iDroga 1-1 ibuyile eLoftus badlala iDroga 2-2 today iguqile ekabiyelwa Maraba Stad FC ilatho beyikhombisa kona ukuthi idibene nabanye abantu angathi sebazazi indaba zeSundowns
amashaka
ya laba bantu ngicabanga ukuthi I know ukuthi Sundowns kulabadlali babonile abadlali kunabadlali engibonayo ukuthi sizobabona eCronankop kule team kunabadlali ababonakalele kule team ukuthi bayingozi omunye wabonakala khona lapha eLoftus ukuthi hayi angada kancingi namhlanje futhi ufike engaleni ebonakalisa ukuthi hayi akancingi kukhona akabathi iSundowns idliwe kabi yadliwa away from home engcono babekade lento yenzeka la kubetway kodwa ke ngizokucela ku management yeSundowns ngiyayicela ingabi harsh ngicela ingasixoshile uKhodoso man of Flaming Back ibalinde ingabaxoshi nathi sisafisa ukuthi sithole ibetway ezandleni ezikaKhodoso ngathi wemabhakabhaka ibetway yasinokela siyacela impela siyazehlisa karisuthu bathi siyarikoko bitsa kabuyelo masandawana kakuphohle ningabaxoshi uningamxoshi umanager uFlaming Back ningamxoshi uKhodoso kwangathi kusazoba mnandi ekhaya Sundowns isisidle kakhulu mfowethu ihamba ngenye form siyayazi iform yeSundowns uyabona lo shalo lelo benchwayo siyacela futhi noba sidlala neParis ngezi 18 zika February kwangathi uKhodoso uza kahle lakho sicela mbhentshe futhi ushalulile wena labo noneze ababhentshe ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siphefumule
ngiyakuthola nje
kodwa nje all and all igame ibimnandi bevele ebholeni kuno win kuno lose kuno draw lokho okwehlelwe yiSundowns we know kumasandawana kuma supporters ukuthi akusiyona iculture yabo kodwa futhi bamele ba-understand bakuvumela ukuthi is a part of the game if ngakuvumela ukuthi umudliwe akusilona iphutha eminye yemithetho yabhalwa phasi shukuthi ube uma umlandeli webhola ulazi ibhola ebholeni kumele ukwamukela ukuthi sikhona isikhathi sokuthi udliwe khona isikhathi sokuthi udraw khona isikhathi sokuthi uwine. Okay, thank you my friends wethu invite sidele ubuthongo ngonqoba sithanda ibhola silithanda mahala for free and nani lapha ekhaya ama viewers webafowethu nabo dadewethu ngalama data wenu I understand ukuthi ibhola phela leli bhola is a competition, is a nice debate, is an open debate. Angisothi manje sipha ama viewers abanye basethuke ningasethuki bafowethu. This is a game, umdlalo.
For the love of the game.
Please don't take it serious.
Sebeyathuka nawe nje.
Uyazi wena umubi kabi, ngiyakubona nomubi kabi. Ngobubi la wena ujwayele ukusethuka. Stop ukusethuka. But entertainer i-channel mfowethu. The channel is all about laughing, peace, love. Thank you my friend.
Bathini kuwe nje? Bathi awulazi.